I'll show you the best funding pips coupon codes. Now, for example, here I'm already on a website called thetrustedprop.com, and this is where you can copy a coupon code to get up to 25% off on funding pips. Now, it's very easy on how you can get this. Now, you can see on the challenge accounting prices here, if you scroll down, all of these are pretty unimportant details. All that you need to know is that if you click on this button to copy the coupon, you can click on this button. Now, it doesn't exactly copy the coupon onto your clipboard. It will automatically redirect you onto the funding pips register. Now you can see on the reference code here, referral code here, or reference, whatever you want to call it, it says trusted, right? It means our coupon code has been applied. Now this is the referral code we want to make. It's trusted here. Now you can see if you have this referral code entered in here, you will get a discount. Now let me just enter in my details here real quick. Now, once that happens, you can see I'll just need to verify my account real quick. Let me just do this. Now you can see once I've logged in, if I go to configure here, you can see we can configure all of our things here, like $10, match trader, things like that. You can choose your account size as well. But you can see if I scroll down, you can see I have a referral code 7% off coupon code applied. So you can see it does work. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.